Exercise 30. The value in dollars of a car t years after it has been purchased is modeled by this equation. So let's write that again because, as we have repeatedly mentioned, perhaps the most critical thing in these exercises is to understand which two variables are being connected. So we have V standing for value of the car, and T is the number of years after it was purchased. After it was purchased. By what percent does the value of the car decrease each year? We can see that this is the decay rate, which shows that every single year we multiply by 0.85. This means that the car keeps 85% of its previous value, which also means that if it keeps 85% of its previous value, then it loses 15% of its previous value. So it loses 15% of its previous value. And that's exactly what we needed here. By what percent does the value of the car decrease each year? That would have been a 15%.